Tell them I'm touching down.
We play for keeps. The whole hood know me. No new niggas, they ain't on the block, making go out tryna feed the team. Got a motherfucking job, no serve. Big 30 hanging out, no curve. One call, yeah, Booga gon' murk. Sneak this, man, that's gon' hurt. Oh yeah, we taking shit. Steady running from the Jason shit. When we reach the top, we can stop doing this basic shit. Cause I ride or die for my niggas. I get crucified for my niggas. You and them still wanna fuck, boy. The whole squad gon' get you. These niggas so phony though. They act like your homie though. They see some bands, but it ain't some mans, he just feel like Romeo. And I'm still by the corner store. Fuck all this rapping, bro. Might think it's a concert and get beyond hurt, cause we coppin' ho. Now roll that dope shit. On the block we smoking shit. And niggas die cause the cops come quick, motherfucking doctor shit. It's one thing I never did, and that's love a bitch. Cause I'm drillin' sick. I only love my clique. My OG told me to slow down. I see an op and he get blowed down. Take him down, then smoke his whole pound. All they deep on, empty the round. Get caught, but I won't make it sound. But it's dead cause I'm shooting out of town. We feel green and white with no brown. I'm finna bust a sale right now. These niggas ain't really in the field. Little folks going in for the kill. Late nights in the creek with the steel. Sondale had a hot shit feel. And I love when I'm off that pill. Can't change, boy, I'm too real. They say real niggas don't say they real well. Fuck nigga, I'm real. And if he can't break bread, he fake. I had one more buck on my plate. It was me and bro, we was in the store and both of us got 50-cent cakes.